In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find remote jobs on Indeed. Whether you're looking to join the growing number of professionals who work from home or you're just exploring new opportunities, Indeed is a robust platform that can help you achieve your career goals. Let's dive right into how you can use Indeed to find those coveted remote positions. Start by heading over to your Indeed dashboard. If you're new to the site, you'll need to create an account first, but assuming you've got that part all set up, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is the gateway to all job listings on Indeed. The bar typically prompts you with job title, keywords, or company. Click into the search bar. This is where you'll start the magic of your job search journey. Next, you'll want to think about what kind of roles you're interested in. Maybe you're looking for a position as a software developer, a project manager, or perhaps a marketing specialist. Enter the role you're aiming for into this bar. Remember, the more specific you are, the more tailored your results will be. So don't be afraid to input detailed job titles or relevant keywords, but don't stop there. You'll also want to consider the location for these remote roles. In the location bar next to the job title, you should type remote. Using remote as a location helps Indeed narrow down the search results exclusively to jobs that offer remote working options. With your job title and location entered, go ahead and click Find Jobs. Clicking this will unleash a list of potential job opportunities based on your criteria. Now, here's a crucial thing to pay attention to. In your job results, look for positions marked as work from home. This is Indeed's way of flagging roles that allow you to work remotely. Scanning for this phrase under job titles in your search results ensures that you focus only on opportunities that fit your remote working preference. Exploring these tailored results, you might see descriptions that clearly state the flexibility offered by the employer for remote work. Take the time to read through these job listings carefully. Ensure the position aligns with your skills and career objectives, and also check for information related to office visits or specific location requirements. While the role may be remote, some companies may still have occasional on-site meetings, so it's something to be mindful of. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to finding remote jobs that suit your talents and lifestyle. Remember, persistence is key. Happy job hunting!